welcome back to another video. So my family and I are gonna go do some late night squid hunting. Wish us luck. Whoa! Dude! Oh, it's like glue and everything. This is the first time I've ever seen this. Yeah, this was so fast. Yeah. So this squid we usually see in the Philippines, but I've never seen it ever. It's the first time I've seen it here. Yeah, look, it's all blue. Wow. Yeah, go for it. Woo! Oh, dude, that's awesome.
Look, it's blue colored.
Whoa!
Look, it's blue colored.
Yeah. Oh, even this
lost.
ink is this.
I got lost.
Is this normally found here in Bermuda, Fugly?
Not in deep water. Not inshore.
Yeah.
Probably got lost.
Yeah, it has to be. Oh,
You can cook that for me tonight.
wow. Whoa.
I will taste that. It's my squid.
That's amazing.
Huh?
Wow. Oh, wow. Wow, Fugly.
Look how big this is.
Woo! That thing's so big. Oh my gosh. Wow. Dude, that thing's big.
Look how big this is.
Woo! Wow, it's literally your whole hand. Wow. Nice.
Here. You're about to get inked on. You're about to get inked on.
Nope. Not today. Not today.
Huh?
Bro just got inked on. Yeah. Dude, this is the biggest one, right?
Yeah, that's the biggest I've ever caught.
Wow. The biggest. Nice. Thing's huge. Yeah. It's bigger than my hand. We probably can't put him in here, right? Because he'll eat this one. Yeah. Okay. It's a really good night for squid, eh? Wow. Oh, Mom, it's bigger than my hand. That's nuts. Nice. Oh, 3. Yeah. What? Nice. Oh, yeah, the girl. Yeah. Wow.
Move. Hold this quick.
He's eating it.
That Fugly. Oh no. Fugly, save the small one. Save the small one. No. Does have, is it?
It's chewed on. Got chewed on.
No, he's still alive, but it's definitely chewed. Oh no. Yeah, look. No, buhay pa, pero he chewed it. Alright guys, so today my mom's gonna make a seafood pancit palabok, and we're gonna use the squid that my brother caught the other day. Mom's gonna clean the squid.
Put the salt and mash it. Mash with the salt so that all the slimy will come out. You have to take out the black ink. Yeah, see that? This one is hard. See this one here? The biggest one. This one here, see? Okay. This one is a little clean. We have to clean more of this. After we clean it, we have to slice it. Pancit Palabok.
Alright guys, so mom prepared all the ingredients for the seafood pancit palabok. First up is garlic. Then we got some onions, some shrimp, squid, and mussel. We also have some chicharron for the toppings later. We have here anato, a suete powder. We actually have the real seeds right here. It's pretty cool, no? Look at that. Anyways, we also have cilantro and boiled eggs. Okay guys, we're gonna cook our seafood pancit palabok. We have to use the olive oil, okay, garlic, a lot of garlic. Next is onion, just for a few minutes. Next is mussel. Alright guys, so mom already placed some seafood stock in there, and now she's gonna add the anato powder that's been dissolved in some water. Oh, it's so red-orange. Now we have to put the cornstarch to make it a little bit sticky. Yeah. Ooh. That looks good, Mom. Oh, and then you can add noodles to it. Yeah. You can add some of the cilantro because I like cilantro. Me too. It's my favorite of herbs. Alright Mom, so everything's just about done?
Yeah, noodles is ready. Pancit palabok. Our seafood. Look at that.
Wow.
How beautiful it is. Little bit of what is this? Chicharron?
Chicharron.
Garlic. A bit of cilantro. Oh, the egg. My egg.
Wow. Looks great, Mom. Yeah, Mom loves the garlic. Chicharron.
That's fine.
Wow, nice.
See how it is? good.
Good? Oh, look at that crunch.
Very good, Dad.
It's good. Yeah? Alright. Ooh, is it in focus? Alright guys, so we're gonna try this. That's awesome, Mom. Like the sauce is so jam-packed with flavor because of all the seafood, the squid, the mussel, shrimp. Good?
Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching while we are cooking our seafood pancit palabok. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good one.